In this video, I'm going to be using my white Treadle for a moment. I haven't used this machine for a while. This is the 1891 White VS IIb, and I am sewing a simple bandana quilt. And for people who are maybe just starting to do bandana type simple quilting, I've got two squares that are already pre-quilted. And I just want to mention, not always will the patterns line up exactly. So what I do is I line the fabric up as close as I can get it, and this is going to be trimmed off anyway. So I let the presser foot of the machine guide me on how far in I'm going to go, making sure that all four fabric layers, when you're sewing two squares, would be sewn. In other words, these four edges aren't exactly even, so I use the presser foot as a guide to do a straight line, making sure I grab all four edges. Now my leg froze up yesterday, and I ended up using an electric and the Spartan. So let's see how I do today. Now you may want to stop if you see that the fabric is bunching up, because just as if these were small squares, your goal is to still have them line up as exactly as possible. And even though I have leg issues that come and go, or are worse on some days than others, I still find that a treadle machine, a big machine with a table toward the left, is the easiest way to put together big quilts. That's just my preference. So there are two put together, and now I will just go ahead and use this machine to assemble the rest of the quilt. It's working fine.